Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to solve the average grade using TypeScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We have here a machine problem. Write a program to compute the average grade of the following grades: 87, 76, 94, 85, and 81, and display the results on the screen. Okay, so let us go with our file. So we have here a series of comments here. Average underscore grade.ts, created by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT, MIT. And then I have two websites where you can download free source code: www.jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. and then you can contact me, if you have some programming assignments or projects. I'm doing some freelancing job right now, so you can email me at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very affordable cost. And then the date of recording is July 13, 2022, 5:57 a.m. Wednesday. My location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. Solving grade, average grade, so we have here a variable average underscore grade, and then to solve equals 87, opening close parentheses, 87 plus 76, 94 94 rather, plus 85 plus 81 close, divide by 5 because we have 5 grades now, 1 2 3 4 5. And then we want to round off to the no decimal value, so this is called round off decimal places. So let round result equals average underscore grade to fix to 0, because if we put 2 here, we have 2 decimal places. So console log here, the title average grade solver in TypeScript, the average grade of 87, 76, 94, 85, and 81 is the result and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Now to execute our program, we issue this command: tsc space average underscore grade .ts. The ts is the extension in TypeScript. Press the enter key from your keyboard. Okay, to execute, node space average underscore grade .js. It will convert to a JavaScript file. So here we go guys, you have here the result. Average grade solver in TypeScript. The average grade of 87, 76, 94, 85, and 81 is 85, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Kindly click the notification bell so that you will be notified in my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.